Hello everybody, welcome one more time to Jose's Crypto Journal. In this video, I'm going to continue explaining one of the three transactions, in this case will be SEI, that I am doing today, modifying my portfolio. I have SNEK. SNEK is 57% of my portfolio. I am happy with SNEK. I am happy with this meme coin. I am happy with Cardano. And I'm happy with the profit that I have had in this coin. The reason why this coin is a humongous 50%, 57% of my portfolio is because I did a very good purchase. It's not the volume, the amount of money that I put into SNEK, is mostly the good timing. I bought a SNEK when SNEK was very, very cheap, and that gave me a good position. Good position, like for example, I bought all the way back here, like when SNEK was cheap. I don't truly remember if I bought in 2023 or if I bought in 2024, like at the beginning of 2024, but either case, it was good. Now, I do consider that SNEK will go up. I am optimistic in SNEK, but I want to diversify a little bit my portfolio and balance out, and I consider that this is a good opportunity what the market is giving me at this point. I'm going to sell a SNEK, buy a little bit of Aptos, going to sell a SNEK, buy a little bit of SEI, I'm going to sell a SNEK and buy a little bit of Radium. Why I'm going to put money into SEI? This price of SNEK and this price of SEI were the price of SEI and SNEK in December 2024. Assuming that this last 3 months of 2025 will behave similarly that what happened back in 2024, we can say from all the way down here, 0.22 cents, to all the way up to 73 cents, the profit in SNEK will be 245%. The profit in SEI, if somebody buy right now and SEI go all the way up till the price that has just last year on December, less than a year ago, you will have a profit of 245. If you do the same with the SNEK, you will have a profit based on the price right now and based on the price last year in December, you will have a profit of around 200%. Now, if I leave everything in SNEK, I will have 200%. If I move part of my SNEK to SEI, I will have 250%. I prefer to make this extra 45, 50%. And on top of that, the key point that I want to do, if I kind of preserve the same possibility to the increase in value, the appreciation in my SNEK, why don't have part of the SNEK in SEI, giving me both kind of the same appreciation. SEI is giving me even more, and the most important, I am diversifying. Instead of having everything in a meme coin, I will have part of my portfolio in SEI. SEI is a good network. It's a layer one. I was doing some comparison between Aptos and SEI because part of what I'm going to do is buy Aptos with a SNEK and buy SEI, even though Aptos have a bigger total volume lock than SEI. You can see that the market cap of Aptos is around approximately the double of SEI. The amount total volume lock in Aptos is around a little less, but the double, which means I see some proportion, even though Aptos have more total value. Yeah, but Aptos has a bigger market cap. The more difficult is that the price continue increasing. I do like SEI is Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible EVM, plus, which means work with Solidity. Plus, I just in my channel, I don't remember what the channel in Spanish or the channel in English, I was reporting a news that says that BlackRock and other companies are trying to use SEI because its ability, its capability, and its design. SEI is designed to DeFi. SEI is designed thinking on using it as one of the main layer to do trading, decentralized finance trading with stock, with coins, with different smart contract using bridges, etc. If that work with for say, it is tremendous. The amount of money in real world assets that will be coming, migrating little by little, it will be slow. It will give us time to go and buy this network with real world asset capability and application little by little. And that is basically what I'm doing. I was thinking to buy, say, long time ago, and I think that now is the time to pull the trigger. And if in December, November, whatever, I reach in my portfolio the level that I want to get, my strategy is to sell everything, lump sum, sell everything. But after that, I will start dollar cost average buying back again if the price go down during 2026, any point that the price go down. Finally, just to recap here, say is not as low as I was analyzing and comparing Aptos. Aptos is in an extremely low position. That is what I'm buying more Aptos. I do have Aptos already, but I have to buy more. Aptos is the same Aptos when I bought more expensive than the Aptos now that is cheaper. The price have not changed how good or bad the Aptos smart contract platform software work, the same for any cryptocurrency, which means I see here that say is at a good uh, support level. I think that almost none of the cryptocurrency will go below the prices of on April and on June. One more time, we can go back here and we can see that Aptos, it went slightly down lower than the price is right now, lower than the price on April, and is barely touching the price of June. I don't see that too many coins will have that situation. I don't going to wait for say to go down to 17 cents or to go down to 14 cents. I am happy buying now. To do this operation, I will take SNEK out of my wallet, transferring to an exchange. In the exchanges, change the SNEK for USDT. After change the USDT back to SEI and take the SEI out of that exchange, put in a hardware wallet, and that's it. That is the plan. SNEK, I have it already on sale. I have 1,500,000 SNEK on sale. That is around 5,000 US dollar. With this 5,000 US dollar, I'm going to buy, let's say, 1,500 Aptos, 1,500 say, 1,500 Radium. There is small liquidity in this exchange. I do like the exchange anyway. I'm just going to leave my transaction here and wait till the transaction go through. I don't going to push myself lower than this price, 0.0033715. Check this. 0.003343, 3343, and here I have my order are 33. Okay, I think that I'm going to edit this transaction. Yeah, I do gonna do it. Let me take this 7 and put into a 6 to increase the possibility, but I don't going to get too crazy. I already out of the $5,000 and losing 120. I don't want to lose more than that. That is just around 2%. And believe me, I don't do trade that much, which when I'm buying and selling crypto, I always lose 2%, 3% for slippage in decentralized exchanges or for poor liquidity, stuff like that, which is kind of normal. I don't do short-term trading because I see that that is the kind of stuff that happen, and I don't want to lose money. I think that people that do too much trading, they lose amount of money that I don't want to lose, which everybody have their own strategy, and that's it. This is mine. When the transaction finish, I will continue the video and just go back from USDT to SEI and to Aptos and to Radium.